I'm meteorologist Adam Stiles. We're keeping an eye on a brief round of showers overnight tonight that won't amount to much. Mild temperatures during the day tomorrow. And then next week, there's a lot of question marks. We're going to talk about that because there's an important date in the middle part of next week, especially for the little ones. Let's talk about the setup here at this point right now, though, because we do have an area of low pressure that is at the bottom part of your screen that is going to eventually be moving into the area. That is the one that moves in to our north tonight, brings steadier rain there, and then for us, we just catch the bottom edge of it and a brief shower or two, likely at around 8 o'clock in the morning or so. So some cloud cover clearing out now, but there's more cloud that is back in behind it. That cloud cover, which is sitting right in there, that is going to be moving in as we go throughout the overnight. Let me show you here on the Futurecast model what happens as we get into the early morning hours. Cloudy, there's your chance of showers at about 8:30 or 9. Then it clears out, and then after that, it's a couple of spotty showers to the north, some of it being lake effect because we do have cooler air moving through, and the lakes are still pretty warm. But in terms of the impact on the commute tomorrow, looking to be fairly minimal. So let's talk about that midweek storm for next week. We go all the way up into Alaska for that. We're going to watch several waves of energy break off that big area of low pressure. We get one that moves all the way across the northern portions of Ontario on Sunday. We'll see another system that brings us steadier rain, which we'll talk about that in the 7-day. And then we're going to keep an eye on this low that is right in through here. Sorry, I didn't mean to move the map like that. And then another low splitting off of the back of it. So it's going to be this low in combination with this one that could be bringing us that potential potent weather as we head into midweek next week. So we'll watch that forecast model showing you almost a bombing out situation here. Look at how tight the pressure gradients are right in through here. You can just see those lines. The closer they are together, the windier it is. And the fact that we have rain there throughout the evening hours is an early indication that we could be seeing some wet weather for the trick-or-treat. So it may be stormy through the middle part of the week. Plan for a warmer and possibly a waterproof costume. And we're going to have to watch the temperatures closely because there's been a few of those clickbait headlines floating around social media that have talked about the potential of snowflakes. I don't think it's going to pan out in Toronto, but something we'll continue to keep an eye on. We're looking at temperatures at about 15 degrees during the day tomorrow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Down to 11, then 10 on Saturday. Steady rain for Sunday and 15 degrees. We'll see temperatures at about seasonal through the first part of next week with that wet weather arriving by Wednesday and continuing into Thursday.